Okay, so on the back of the worksheet, writing the equation of each graph. So to do this, first thing you want to notice is the parent function. These are parabolas. So we know we're going to have something squared. They are parabolas. Then I say, all right, let's look at the vertex. How has the vertex been shifted? The vertex has been shifted to the right 1 and down probably 1. Not all the way down to -2, which is down, let's say it's down 1. So putting that part together, we've got y equals a. We might have something multiplied. We don't know yet. A times the quantity x minus 1 squared, and then minus 1 on the outside. The minus 1 on the inside is going to move the graph to the right 1. The minus 1 on the outside is shifting it down 1. Any questions so far? Okay, now we need to figure out A. To figure out A, use a point on the parabola. And I gave you a point on the parabola. 0, -3. Use the one I gave you. So now I want to plug in 0, -3. And this is going to be to find A. So 0 goes for x and -3 goes for y. -3 equals A times the quantity 0 minus 1 squared minus 1 on the outside. Now we need to solve this for A. Marissa. You can. It'll come out negative automatically for this too. But you're right. A will end up being negative. Okay, order of operations. I got to do 0 minus 1 first. 0 minus 1 is -1. Now I got to do exponents. -1 squared is +1. So I have -3 equals A times 1 minus 1. Multiplication next. A times 1 is just A. So I have -3 equals A minus 1. Now I can solve by adding 1 to each side. So -2 is equal to A. So put your equation back together. Y equals -2 times the quantity x minus 1 squared minus 1. We're going to do the same process for the second graph. Okay, so the second graph, let's look at the shifts for the vertex. It's a parabola. It's been, looks like, moved over 2 and up 3. So we're going to have y equals A times the quantity x minus 2 squared plus 3. Minus 2 because we've moved to the right 2. Anytime you're moving left and right, you're changing the x. You're changing before you perform the function. Titus.
What if it was on the left? Would it be plus 12?
Yes. 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 If the graph were over here, yes. All right, now I'm going to plug in the point they gave me, 0, 0, 5. Use the point I gave you. Okay, there's a whole bunch of other ones on the graph, but just use the one I gave you. Okay. Oops, that's not negative. +5 for y equals A times the quantity 0 minus 2 squared plus 3. I'm going to solve this one a little bit faster than I did the last one. 5 equals A times the quantity -2 squared plus 3. 0 minus 2 is -2. -2 squared is 4. So I have 5 equals 4A plus 3. Subtract 3 from each side. Divide by 4. So A is 1/2. Putting my equation back together, y equals 1/2 times the quantity x minus 2